All right, so this is not going to fall down now. It is well supported, and we could do anything that we like now with our supports on the outside. That being said, I need the inside fascia is 1 by 10, 22 feet long. I need 4 2 by 10 by 12 pressure treated to make the support joist. 4 2 by 10 by 12. And for the outside, I need 22 feet of 1 by 12. Yeah, 1 by 10s. Do I want to use 1 by 12? Do I want to use 1 by 12? 1 by 12 come down to 11 and a half. Oh, that's too big. Okay, I got to go out there anyways. So materials list. 1 by 10, 22 feet long. 4 pieces of 2 by 10 by 12 pressure treated. The outside fascia is 2 pieces of outside fascia. 2 pieces of outside fascia. Oh boy, that's rotted that goes on the inside. So the most exterior part is a 1 by 12, 22 feet long. That corner's rotted there too. Took the gutter off so that we could get to what's necessary. All right, yeah, it's coming together. How am I going to get that piece up under the stuff that's not rotted? I like that that's off because we're going to paint this now too. That's got to get painted and protected where the gutter goes. So that's just plain going to rot. No more rotting going on. All the rotting stops. The rotting stops with me. Everything's going to be painted and safe and pressure treated. Let's count the let's count the whatchamacallits I'm going to need. Come here, tape measure. The pressure treated 4x4s. I'm gonna pressure treated 4x4s. There's gonna be great, terrible video. There's gonna be another post that goes here to divide that because this panel is just too huge. So we're gonna have 2 4-foot panels there, and then we're gonna have an extra post here. We're going to have 1 post here, 5 feet 5 inches each post is going to go. There's going to be 1, 2, 3 posts in the middle versus the 2 that are there now. This opening here is fine. This could stay how it is. How big is this? How wide is this? This opening is that's a 6-foot opening. All right, and to bolster these corners, I'm going to put another 4x4 here and another 4x4 here. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 4x4s, and I don't like how this doorway is, and the bottom of this is rotted. 9 4x4s, pressure treated. 9 pressure treated 4x4s, and we'll put a 36-inch door right here. 9 pressure treated 4x4s. All right, let's go buy some materials.